Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable sound for channel invitation notifications on Facebook using your PC, especially after the latest update where some settings have been slightly reorganized. If you've been missing alerts when someone invites you to join a channel or page, this setting is exactly what you need to turn on. Let's walk through it step by step so you don't miss any important updates. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. When the notifications panel opens, focus on the top area of that section. You'll notice a small three dots icon. Click on those three dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can control how and when Facebook notifies you. Now, on the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Pages You Follow. This is where Facebook groups all notification settings related to pages, including channel invitations. Click into that section and look for the option called Channel Invitations. Once you find it, make sure it's enabled. To ensure you hear alerts, check that sound notifications are turned on for this option as well. If there's a toggle for sound, switch it on so you'll get an audible alert whenever a new invitation comes in. That's it. From now on, you'll not only receive channel invitation notifications, but you'll also hear them instantly, making it much easier to stay updated without constantly checking your screen. If this helped, consider checking your other notification settings too, so you can customize Facebook exactly the way you want.